Respected brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. Alhidaya is pleased to announce that we would celebrate Eid on Tuesday, the 20th of July. To establish the sunnah of praying in the open area, we will offer our Eid Salah at 9:30 a.m. at 159 Brigstock Road, which is Streatham and Croydon Rugby Football Club. Please park either on Font Road or on Brigstock Road, where you have ample parking spaces, especially in the morning. When you enter 159 Brigstock Road, there would be children area, bouncy castle on your right, where the children can entertain themselves after the prayer is complete. Further down, there would be wudu facilities and restroom facilities for sisters, and this part of the park is for sisters to pray. Walking further down, there would be facilities for men, both restroom as well as wudu area. However, we request brothers and sisters to take wudu from home and come prepared with the musalla. This is a place where Imam would lead the prayer, and further down there will be shops for buying gifts. There will be a small food court and children programs conducted by our respected Imams. And there is also an exit from this part of the park out onto the Font Road. Please make dua that we make the best of our Eid Salah and on the Eid day, both for children and adults alike. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.
Together as family, oh, it's the day of Eid. Celebrate and see the sunnah of our beloved Nabi. Celebrate and see the ummah together as family. Oh, it's the day of Eid. Celebrate and see the sunnah of our beloved Nabi. Oh, it's the day of Eid. Celebrate and see the ummah together as family. Oh, it's the day of Eid. Celebrate and see the sunnah of our beloved Nabi.